Lucy Marie Martinez Torres Gomez, born December 11, 1974, is a Filipino actress and politician currently serving as the mayor of Ormoc since 2022. She previously served as the representative for Light's 4th District from June 2010 to March 2013 and from June 2013 to June 2022. She is married to fellow actor turned politician Richard Gomez, who currently serves as the representative for Light's 4th District. Torres Gomez was born on December 11, 1974, in Ormoc, Lady, Philippines to Manuel Torres Jr. and Julie Martinez, the second of. For children, she has an older sister and 2 younger brothers. For primary and secondary school, she attended the Benedictine, founded St. Peter's College in Ormoc. Torres Gomez later attended the University of the Philippines, Cebu, then a college of the University of the Philippines, Visayas, from which she earned a Bachelor of Science degree in Business Management. In 1993, Torres Gomez shot a TV commercial for Lux Shampoo at Lake Caliraya, Laguna, where she met her future husband, Richard Gomez. 5 years later, in 1998, the two starred in the ABS-CBN TELEVISION sitcom Richard Loves Lucy, and married that same year. Torres Gomez has also hosted the TV5 reality dance competition show Shall We Dance and the Q lifestyle show The Sweet Life, and endorses Philippine brands Bench and Kashieka. Torres Gomez married actor and Lady Representative Richard Gomez on April 28, 1998 at the St. Peter and Paul Parish Church in Ormoc, Lady. They currently reside in Ormoc and have 1 daughter, Juliana Ma Beatrice, who graduated cum laude from the UP National College of Public Administration and Governance. Torres Gomez is Roman Catholic. She speaks Cebuano, English, and Tagalog. In 2018, Torres Gomez was named Most Stylish Woman by Philippine Tatler. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.